Thought for the day, Saturday, September the 14th. Renew the social fabric of your area. Together with God's love, St. Paul here underlines, and not by chance, Christ's patience. It is the patience which Jesus gave proof of throughout his life on earth. It is the perseverance with which he faced up to tiredness, lack of understanding, deprivation, setbacks, abandonment. It is his total detachment from his will which enabled him to be one with the Father's will, even in the most painful moments of his passion and death on the cross. How can we live this word? Seeing in everything we wish to do an expression of God's love and the chance to love him again. For example, at work, what better, more at hand chance do we have to live love towards God and our brothers? What a social revolution it would be! What beneficial effects it would mean for our neighbors and for the whole of society if we did our work guided by love. But as this is not possible without sacrifice, without renunciation, we will try to let ourselves be guided by that other feeling indicated by St. Paul, with patience and detachment from ourselves, of which Jesus set the example. In this way, love will give meaning and fullness to every moment of our lives. And, as Jesus asserts, whatever we do for love will stay forever. Chiara Lubich, excerpts from the commentary on the Word of Life of November 1992. The Word of Life for September 2024. Do not merely listen to the Word and so deceive yourselves. Do what it says.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.